Malfunction fire alarms going off at the cafeteria. They already knowledge the boys evacuation when in the K building, M building, the J building, and of course the M building and the office building. But the cafeteria has different panels, so it is going off. And another investigating who did it, and they are working on silencers. So yeah, it is very loud and annoying. So they are wheel lock mostly they use in the cafeteria. If you ask me a question what panel is, I don't know yet because yeah. But all the fire alarm, there you go, they already silenced it. See, they already acknowledged the alarm, so yeah. It was a false alarm, so because they announced it, so yeah. And that's it.